Good morning, students. I'm Athira from Civil Engineering Department. I'll be handling the subject Basics of Civil Engineering. Actually, the subject is Basics of Civil and Mechanical Engineering, from which the half portion will be handled by me and the other half will be by faculty from Mechanical Engineering Department. So, when we hear the word Civil Engineering, something which comes into our mind is about buildings, construction, home. Okay, the basic necessity of a human being, that is a shelter. It's being satisfied by a civil engineer. So that is the basic idea of civil engineering, that is construction engineering. Also along with that, civil engineer has various different roles like transportation engineering, which helps in the development of bridges, roads, highways, railways, etc. And also another branch is environmental engineering, which deals with the water supply engineering, that is to supply good quality water for a community. And also they have the responsibility to take back the wastewater from the society and to treat it and dispose it. Also they deals with the pollution engineering and also waste management. And another branch is geotechnical engineering, where they are dealing with the foundations, soil related things. So civil engineers has a wide variety of scope or wide variety of area which they are working. So we'll study what all are this, as well as some basic things about civil engineering, which is a common things which we can understand very easily. So we'll be going through that. So the subject is divided into 3 modules. Uh, Totally the subject has 6 modules. 3 modules is from civil engineering, then the last 3 modules is from mechanical engineering. So here civil engineering first module is about general introduction to civil engineering. What is the role of a civil engineer? Major disciplines of civil engineering. So introduction to types of buildings, like residential building, educational building. We have different types of building. So according to the function, how the buildings are classified. Next is about the selection of site for buildings. What are the factors to be considered while taking a building? Okay, what are the rules and regulations in case of building? That is generally about buildings we'll be studying in the first module. The second module, we study about surveying. Okay, we know what surveying is. So importance, just objectives and principles. Okay, next is the materials which are we are popularly using these days. Cement, concrete, steel, cement, timber, everything. And also modern materials, okay, which has emerged nowadays, architectural glass, ceramics, plastics, etc. Okay. The third module will move on to the building construction, that is foundation level. What are the different types of foundations? What are the functions of foundations and all? And the coming on to the building brick masonry. So which type of masonry you use? What are the different types of masonries available? And that based on the situation which we are using, we'll study its properties and all. Roofs and flooring. We'll study the materials used for roofings as well as floorings. What are the different types of roofings available? Everything we will study. And after that, finally, we'll study about certain basic infrastructure services, elevators, escalators, etc. And also finally we see green building, which efficiently manages the energy. Okay, energy as well as water management. For the university exam, the question paper is divided into 2 parts. Part 1 is basic civil engineering and part 2 is basic mechanical engineering. So in part 1 there will be 2 parts, part A and part B. In part A there will be 5 questions of 4 marks each. These 5 questions are from all the 3 modules, and part B consists of 3 sections in which you have to answer 3 questions which are from each of the 3 modules. So among the first module you will have an option to choose among 2 questions. You have to write either 6 or 7. Second module you have to write either 8 or 9. And also in third module you have to choose between 10 and 11. Total 30 marks for the part B and 20 marks for the part A. So this is the division of the question paper, and this is about a brief introduction to the subject. We will see the modules in the other coming classes. Thank you.